Tyson, do you remember about that question in the next that days?
Yes, it's was the unit 3, and we was asked about what are elephant and what makes them special.
Do you know about the answer?
Um, Elephant are the biggest animal on land, and even though they are very healthy, they can work quiet and move smoothly. They are very intelligent and can solve problem. Remember things for a long time and use simple tool. Elephant also feel strong emotions like happiness and sadness. It's you.
What about your opinion?
I, well, in my opinion, elephant they have strong bond with many other animals. Elephant can use the trunk to bend down branches to dig up the land and find the hidden stream. Also, they can take down the trees to make a small tent for weak animals. They have a large size of body, so they can enlarge the road, so other animal can move easily. Elephant have a strong emotion, and they can take the injured animals to the water and wash the injury. And what do you think?
Yeah, I agree to you that electricity is very so intelligent because they have a big brain and they are so familiar with human. If human don't attack them, also they are they can use their trunk to uh, to eat or uh, grab the fruit on the tree, and they they are very familiar with their can be another kind of elephant, but they are in danger because of many activity of humans. According to the Times newspaper, or like they are between 40% of kind of racial electric in Vietnam. So we need to make us policies to protect the elephant, so that so elephant can live in Asia, not many around the world. The time is nearly out, so we need to summarize the discussion. Discussion. So we what intelligent elephant and so why they so special and why they so intelligent. That all about my discussion and thank you for listening.